Hello students, today we will develop the application for calculator. Okay, let's start. First of all, remove this hello world, then design the application, take the text view, make it big. After that, take the buttons, button 1, button 2, button 3, then button 4, button 5, button 6, button 7, button 8, button 9, then 0 for 0, then plus, minus, into, divide, equal, and one more button, on and off. Okay, take all the buttons. After that, remove this text view, go to the code and remove the text view. Okay, also you can write here Android colon text style is equal to bold. You can make the text bold. Also you can change the size of the text, so you can write here Android colon text size is equal to 30 dp like this. Okay, go to the design, go to the button and go to the code. You can write here 1 for the button 1. Okay, so this is the ID button 1. Then this is button 2, so this is 2. Then button 3, 3. Then button 4, 4. Then button 5, 5. You can write here. Then 6. Then 7, 8, 9, and 0. Okay, so this is button 0. You can write 0. Then plus, so this is button P for plus. Okay, then minus, so this is minus. I can write here button M for minus, and this is button into. Okay, multiply, so I can write here mu multiply. Then divide, so I will write here button D for divide. Okay, and then equal, right here equal, and button E. Then this is for on and off, so O, on and off, so OF I write here, and here on off. Okay, so I will show you the design. Go to the design and it will look like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 0, plus, minus, into, divide, equal, on and off. Okay, so all the buttons I designed this calculator. Now remove, clear all the constraints and infer the constraints. Okay, after that run your application. So I will show you the interface at the runtime. Wait for a while. It's running. Now we can write the code on the buttons. So here text view. So I will write here text view and then T1. Okay. And I have button. So I will write here button and button B1, comma B2, comma B3, comma B4, comma B5, comma B6, comma B7, comma, sorry, just a minute, B6, comma B7, comma B8, comma B9, then B0, after that B plus BP, comma B minus, comma B multiply, comma B divide, comma B equal BE, comma B on off, so BO. I write here on off BO. Okay, so these are the buttons that we defined. Okay, now I will define these all the references of text view and button. So T1 is equal to find view by ID r dot id dot text view. Okay, then b1 is equal to find view by id r dot id dot button 0. Okay, sorry, button 1 for the b1. Okay, now I will copy this line of the code and I will paste multiple times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so B1, then B2, then B3, then B4, then B5, then B6, then B7, B8, B9, then B0, then B plus BP, then B minus BM, then B multiply BMU, then B divide BD, and B equal BE. And one more button, BO, on off. Okay, BO. Now this is 1, then 2, then 3, button 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, button 6, button 7, button 8, then button 9, and button 0, then plus P, button minus M, button multiply MU, button divide, button D, button equal, button E, and button on off, button OF. Okay, so I defined these all the references. Now I will write the code. When I click 1, so 1 should be written inside the text view. So I will write the code like b1 dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener. This is the code that you have to write for every button. So just copy this code and paste 16 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I copied and pasted. Okay, now I will write the code on B1. So T1 dot set text, and I will write here T1 dot get text and plus 1. Okay, so 1 will be written on the T1. Okay, copy this line of the code and paste here change here b2 and paste here this line t1 dot get text, and you will write here 2. Okay, then b3 and you will write here 3. Okay, then b4 and you will write here 4. This is b4. Then b5 and you will write here 5. In similar way you will complete these all the code. b5 b6 here, b7 here, b8 b9. So b6 okay, so b6 will be here 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. Okay, so this is b0 and you will write here 0. Okay, then bp, this is plus, bp, this is minus, and this is multiply, and this is divide, bd, and this is equal, be, and then this is bo, right? So now when you click plus button, so what will happen, you will store plus sign into a string type variable. So you have to define here a string variable, string, I write here operation op. Okay, and I will store this op operation, I will store plus sign in op operation. So I will store plus sign here, right? And I will take two integer type variable. So I will write here int a comma b. Okay, so when I click the plus button, then I will store the value of t1 in a. So a is equal to integer dot parse int, so a is equal to integer dot parse int, and I will write here t1 dot get text dot to string. Okay, I will store, and t1 dot set text, I will make it blank. Okay, I store the value of t1 and I will make the text view blank. Okay, now control C, I will copy this code and I will paste here. So op will be minus, and then same thing in multiply, op will be multiply sign here, and same thing on division, I will paste it and I will divide the number and then write here like this. Okay, on equal to, so I have to check the sign of the operation. So if op dot equals plus, okay, so if the sign is plus, then what will happen, then b is equal to sorry, before checking the sign you can write here b is equal to t1 integer dot parse int t1 dot get text dot to string. Okay, so I will take the value of t1 right now and store into the b variable. Okay, so if op dot equals plus, then t1 dot set text, okay, string dot value of, and I will write here a plus b. Okay, so I will add both the number, then I will convert into the string and I will store onto the t1, right? Now else if, so copy this code copy and else paste, okay, then else and paste, then else and paste, okay, 4 times. So if minus, then you will write here minus. If into, then you will write here into. If divide, then you will write here divide, okay. So this is the code, and after that on off button, so you can write here t1.set text, and you will make it blank, okay, right. So this is the code for calculator. Now I will run this application and I will test this code. Just run the application. Okay, now click here 1 is written here, then 2, then 3 for example, and 0, okay, like this. Then plus, click plus button, then another number you can write like 1, and after that equal sign, so 1 2 3 1, right. So plus sign is working. Now click on off, so it is blank now. So 50 for example, and divide by 2, so equal 25, okay, divide is working. Minus 52 minus 25, so 27, yeah, so it's working. So on off, 2 multiply 5, so 10, sorry, 2, again 2 multiply 5 is equal 10, okay. So this is the calculator application. I hope you all understand this application. So just write this code with me and test your application. So take the help of this application and develop the program for the calculator, okay. After that, develop the program for scientific calculator, okay. So I hope you all understand this application. Thank you for watching.